excuse me. We're gonna try to do these voice auditions. Hang on, let me pause my TV. We are going to do these voice auditions. And I guess if you guys like them, you can always ask me to join if you ever host a voice audition. By the way, if you hear something in the background, it's my brother snoring. He's right next to me. Or actually, it's him breathing, but he's asleep. Okay, let's get started. Luna, could you tell us your backstory? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. What's a baby doing here? I call adopting her. No, I'm not leaving you, Vincent. Great. Now we are in an adoption center. I miss him. I hope Vincent is alright. What's this? But blood? Where are we? It's alright, baby. Mommy's here. I'll protect you. Vincent, are you okay? I declare a fight between William and June versus me and Vincent. I'm sure. What did you do to him? You should be more concerned about Luna and Cindy. Luna, Cindy! Then how are you here now? Vincent, your stupid brother killed Luna. Tank, stop! I'm not letting you out until you shut up. It's fine. OMG, is she okay? Vincent, hug. William, June, Luna, Cindy. We have to team up to save him. So, plot twist? Wait, I could have teleported us there. Oh, come on, Lou. Please forgive him. I love you, and I always will, no matter what. My niece is going insane. Wait. My niece is going insane. Celix died after having Mizuki.